Are you facing the Instagram network problem where posts won't load, messages don't send, or you see that annoying no internet connection error? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple and working solutions to fix it. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Now open your phone's settings, go to Apps, then search for Instagram, tap on it, then go to Storage and click on Clear Data. This will reset the app and remove any corrupted files causing the issue. After that, go back to Settings again. Open the Connections option, then tap on More Connection Settings. Now click on Private DNS and make sure it is turned off. Sometimes, DNS settings can block Instagram from connecting properly. Now open the Instagram app in your Play Store or App Store. If there's an update available, install it immediately. Outdated apps often cause network errors. This is a very common reason. Now open Instagram and log into your account again. Your network problem should be fixed by now. Still facing the issue? Then the problem might not be from your side. Sometimes Instagram's servers go down, and many users experience the same issue at the same time. As you can see, a lot of people are reporting this problem. In that case, you just need to wait. There's nothing you can fix manually. So yeah, that's how you can fix Instagram network problems. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.